right, welcome everyone to the chicken check-in. Here they are. Hi, chickens. I need to go around. We're making their coop extension. Ran out of chain link fence. So here they come. They are ready to go. Hi, chickens. We'll check this out. We got a couple eggs to collect. There's Miss Florence sitting on her eggs. And then we built this over the weekend. It is their new little roost. So they can be up off the ground and they can roost off the ground. They love it. We were thinking that they would just sleep on the ground at night, but they went up. There's Henry. We'll see if Henry gives us a show today. The girls spent the weekend roaming around on the mountaintop. Well, Gwenny. Chickens are doing just fine. They're enjoying themselves. You gonna talk to us today, Henry? Nope, I'm just gonna poop. The chickens stay on this side because we got a new puppy who thinks that the chickens are a quite fun little chew toy. So hi, chickens. I don't think Henry's gonna give us a show today, but that's okay. You can always go back to our YouTube page and watch him. Oh, there we go. He did it. The corn is growing nicely. We'll do the corn next week. Regular farm going on over here. Corn and greens. Chickens. All right. Well, there we go. On that note, hope you enjoyed the chicken check-in, and we will see you on the farm next week. Have a good one, everyone.